You see, there is this clear distinctiveness between a research topic and a research working title. Many people don't know this. Myself, I didn't know this after my PhD. Now, what is a research topic? Research topics set the foundation for academic writing. It is usually very broad in nature, and it is from these research topics that we are able to deduce complex research questions and objectives. On the other hand, the research working title are more specific. They are very specific, they are more refined, and they are the descriptive version of your research topic. And it emphasizes on the scope, the context, the geographical context of the work, and then the name of the variables, and then to some extent a part of the methodology are all part of it. So a typical example of a research topic in the field of energy, somebody can look at energy justice and low carbon consumption. Energy justice and low carbon consumption. You can put it just like that. You don't need to bring in any phrase, any word to show the impact or the direction of the study or to add the scope in there. So my research topic, I want to be considering energy justice. And when it comes to qualitative study, I mean studies that are not statistically based, but that are textual based and they are non-numerical based. Your sample size could be as low as one respondent. In qualitative study, you can have as low as only one respondent for the entire study. And we don't have any system of determining sample size. The sample size in qualitative study is attained by what we call data saturation points. And what do I mean by data saturation point? Data saturation point simply implies that in quantitative study, you need to continue to interview people and get the data until you get to a point where the information you are obtaining is just a repetition of what you have previously obtained. For example, if you obtain information from the first person, second person, third person, fourth participant, fifth participant, sixth participant, and then after hitting number 12 participant, if number 13, 14, 15, the information they are producing reflects exactly what has been reported within the first 12, then it means you have reached what we call data saturation point. And at that point, we conclude that enough is enough, because going in further is not bringing in anything new. It is rather repeating exactly what has been done or what